Hi guys, and welcome to simplekidscrafts.com. My name is Merve, and on today's video I'm going to show you my purse collection, and these are purses and bags. I'm not going to include book bags, and that is because I have them in another section. Most of these were made by me using foam, and others were store-bought or they came with those that I bought. I have a lot for Barbie, for Bratz, and Monster High. So the purses that I'm going to show you first, which are this set, are made with foam. That's foam paper. And I also use string, cord, or beads to decorate the purses. I have a lot of tutorials on each one of these, and I'm going to be leaving you a link on the description down below. This one in particular I made with a matchbox, and the rest again foam, beads, stickers, and in some cases wire. And in some cases I made the string itself by using the foam, and I used chain and beads. This is all to decorate the purses. Of course, you can decorate your purses as you wish. I also made a lot of templates for each one of these purses and bags, and those templates are also available on the description box down below. For each one of these purses I have a video, and I am going to put the link to the video as well as the actual template for the particular video. I love these purses because they're very easy to make and very quick to make. They take about 30 seconds to make to 1 minute to make because they're very easy to make. You just have to cut the mold and basically just use glue and then decorate. I also use erasers to make purses sometimes, and for the handles I usually use paper clips. But most of the purses that I make are usually foam, plastic gems, beads, and so on. I also have Barbie suitcases, purses, baskets, picnic baskets, and other items that are purse related. And they usually came with my Barbies, or they came in a bag, random bag with a whole bunch of stuff for Barbie. I do have a lot of stuff for Bratz, and I also have things that are for Monster High, but most of the purses that I do have or own are Barbie related. In this case, I will show you now some of the purses that I own that are related to Monster High. But what you're currently seeing on the screen right now are most of the purses that are related to Barbie, because most of my dolls did come with a purse or did come with an accessory. I do keep them separate so that then I can use them on different videos and show it to you guys. I also have some other small purses that came with generic dolls. Those are like the $1 dolls that you buy at the dollar store, and other type of purses that randomly I got through making a bulk purchase. I don't know which dolls those bags belong to, but right now the ones that you're currently seeing on the screen are purses that belong to Monster High dolls. And I have different things for Operetta, for Frankie, for Draculaura, and the Werecats, and so on. And the majority of these came together with the dolls that I purchased. So these are original dolls and original bags for each one of them. And I just like to keep them separate so that then when I can change their outfit and everything, I can easily find their bags and I don't lose them. So I keep them in a big container, and that way I never lose any of the purses. And as you can see here, this is my entire collection. Some of the things that you see on the screen I actually did not show in detail because I made some of the purses using felt, and I thought it would be curious to show you the foam ones. And I hope that you like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!